Potatoes.
Move it. Oh, nice shot. Go, mode, yeah. Move it. I like the move it. Alright, come on, mode.
I can't do this. I really can't do this. I can't pay attention while doing this. I'm gonna hit you really hard. Oh, he's still dead. Where would you throw that?
You gotta move it, you know.
You look like you threw that to
No,
your
you
dad.
gotta move it. I can move it.
Why does he keep doing it? Wait, you should do that to him. You should do that to him. Hold on, pause.
Get him, move it. I like.
Me too. That was a nice throw.
Oh.
Brad, you didn't even throw it right.
I actually been really close.
No, you haven't.
That one wasn't, but
You threw it to your dad.
hey,
Ah.
that is not moving material. Not being a material, girl. How did you get that? Be a material, girl.
Do you really think you're about to win this? By standing back there?
Yep. Stop taking the ball. Don't be a material girl.
Bro, she's standing still. Just hit her.
I'm trying to get a
Think we
ball.
got the ball? Stop taking the ball.
Thank you. We win.
Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Alexa.
Standing still.
Hey,
She
Alexa.
rage quitted.
Did you
She rage quitted. I'm gonna hit you so hard. Which one's... Brad, it looked like you threw it to your dad.
I move it, okay? How did you miss?
Come here.
Ouch!
How did I die? How did I die?
You died? What?
Brad, you can't
Oh, I'm all
catch.
by myself.
Brad, you can't catch.
What?
Exactly, Brad.
How did I get hit?
Here, hold on. Let me
I
get
just
closer to
didn't
you.
move it. No.
Move closer to you. It's gonna take a while. This takes a while. Yeah, you have to like spin.
I'm about to fall in real life. I'm about to fall in real life.
Hold on.
Where? How are you over there?
Oh wait, that's my laundry basket.
Helicopter.
Hold on, I'm gonna spin.
Come on, wait.
I'm gonna go over. I'm gonna go over to the benches. See you.
See, I need to walk.
Let's see if we can make it faster.
Hello. These are bad fellas. These are...
Hey, Brad. Brad.
How did you get over there?
That's a good question. Hold on.
I need to move it more.
What's
You
happening
got
to
to
him?
move it. How did I get hit?
Oh my god, bro, this guy's lagging.
Hit!
Got him.
Look at me.
It's okay.
Come over here. Come over here, Mud.
I
You better
can't.
do better. Do good, okay? I believe in you. Believe in
I
you.
can't.
Ouch!
Mud, you suck. You suck, Mud. Mud,
I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
Mud. Pray to the mighty Jimmy. Oh, I want the ball. We're doing so well, Mud. Mud, we are fine. We'll win.
That's a lie.
Give me the ball.
He's dead.
Dead.
Got
Nope.
them. I move it. Yeah, I move it, and you go. So you didn't get it.
Oh my gosh, hold on, back
Everyone
up.
who move it knows that.
You missed it. Okay, it's okay.
Come on,
It's okay.
Mud.
I got this.
Oh, hell
What you
no.
need
This
to
is
perfect
me.
time is
Mud. Mud, you suck.
Game over.
You suck, Mud.
Why did I do that?
Good game.
It wasn't a good game.
Chicken following.
I lost. Oh, I'm joking.
How much did you get? You got
Fried
a
chicken nuggets.
I have more
Fried
than you,
chicken
and you have Requiem Plus.
Fried chicken nuggets. Fried chicken nuggets.
You.
Yeah, just
Oh,
give me.
come on, Mud. Mud, look at this. You know what?
Game on.
Let's actually do this. I totally
I
forgot.
actually meant.
Hold on. There we go.
Mud, you suck, Mud. Mud, you suck.
Why does this happen to me?
I got a Mud.
You didn't get them.
Check my bio. Oh my god, guys, check his bio.
It says depressed.
Hey, check my bio. I gotta check
His
my
bio
bio.
says depressed.
Bio. Oh, it's depressed. Come on. You going to question King Julian? I wouldn't.
Why'd you just give him balls?
Oh my god.
Going to each.
Oh my god.
Hello. I'm going to beach.
How did I get hit? Mud. Watch out, Mud.
I'm going to.
Mud. Watch out. Get up. Mud. Mud. You actually hard. That's it, Mud. You better do this with me.
I could do this all day.
Hey,
I'm
Mud.
spinning faster than you.
Get it, Mud. Go. Get it, Mud. Go. Get it, Mud. Go. Get it. No, don't do that.
Anyways, what do you say?
Hey, what's up? It's King Julian here today. About to get into another music video from Madagascar. Yo, ball. Do a flip. Do a flip.
If you do that, wait, there's.
Ready? I'm
Wait,
gonna
what if I do a flip? I'm gonna do a flip. I'm gonna do a flip.
Hey, ready?
I'm gonna do a flip onto. Okay, I'm gonna do a flip onto my bed. Okay,
I'm really tall now.
I'm gonna do a flip onto my bed. Ready?